Yep. Make sure the plastic black lever is down like this, and then you can, as you slide in, you tilt the lever and hop, it falls into place. A little bit of Fingerspitzengefühl. Hop. Put in the connector. Then put in the lever for the lock, like this, and the plastic tab to hold it in place. Up. Then do not forget to slide it on the extension for the lock, and then you slide it holes are free. Yeah. Need to slide the edge of the black piece over the edge. Yep. Sometimes it's a bit stubborn. Come on. Yep. So when you tilt it up, push it down a little bit, you wiggle it a little bit, you massage it into place, then make sure the holes are lining up of the clips, and they are pretty much perfect except for the new one, and the new one goes in like that, up, and you give it a little tap, so that's those clips into place, and these ones also. Hopla. Tight. Everything works. Up. Everything's free, and then the Torx bolts. Trim for the handle. Yep. I'm gonna screw them in by hand, not cross thread them. Normally it's difficult to cross thread them because, yeah, the hole should be exactly lined up. There's no room to wiggle around. Up. There was a little bit of plastic in between the thread and the bolt, but that's okay. Up. Sturdy. Make sure it's tight. Yeah, 10 Newton meters will be perfect, or 12. I added a little bit because I'm a cheater. I like to make sure it's tight. So, and these ones just clip on. Look here, there's a clip. So when you take it off, you have to start like here, up, and then shove it up, and it will go. So this one first, start it here, up. So this is already in, it slides in, and this one yep, perfect. Just one tap, pluck, like that. And you see it's one tap here also. So push it down and that felt great. Yeah, so now it's in place. One tap here, and one that shoves in right here. Yep. So that's it. Let's wrap it up. Let's clean up your tools, of course. We'll test it one last time. It should work. There you go. That's how you remove and install a window for a Saab 9.3 model 2010. That's a wrap.